Assalamualaikum and very good morning. So to upload your assignment on UKMFolio, first thing you do is obviously log in. You will have your login button there. I've already logged in my particulars, so it's automatic in my PC. So once you log in with your particulars, you can begin to upload. I will choose the course that I want to upload to, SKBK excuse me, 6153. That's my course that I want to upload my assignment to. Once I click on the course button, I go into the course proper and I look for the particular assignment that I want to upload to. Say for instance, I want to upload on e-task 2. I click on that and then it says add submission, so I will add the course the file that I want to. I will look for it in my my file, say upload file, choose file, and then go to my folder, the actual folder that I want to locate my file. I look for the file. Imagine this is the file. I upload it and then I say I choose file, right? That's already chosen. And I say upload, save changes. And let's see. There you go. My file is there. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do.